Welcome back again. In the previous lesson, we have learned some of the notations and terminology of stratified random sampling. It is a continuation to that particular part. There it was stopped for some particular at some particular point of view. So now I start all the population values we have learned in the previous lesson. The basic notations capital N, small n, and what is capital Y is a capital Y bar Ni, capital Y bar N, capital Si square, capital S square, etc. We have learned in which are all the population values, of course, small n, capital N, capital N, which are notations. Now the remaining are the formulas. Yi is also a notation, remaining all formulas. Y bar Ni, Y bar N, S square, etc. Now we learn regarding all the values of the samples, all sample units. Regarding all sample units, we learn the formulas. First of all, we define one notation of the sample. Yi. What is Yi? Is Yi be the value of the jth sampled unit. That means selected unit from the sample. The meaning of this is selected units from the sample, from the ith stratum. Selected from the ith stratum. Jth unit selected from the ith stratum. Same exactly. I need not repeat again. Capital Y is a, like capital Y is a value of the jth unit of ith stratum. Similarly here as well, it is the jth sample unit selected from the ith stratum. We should consider selected from the ith stratum, which is selected from the ith stratum. That is very important. It is the one unit drawn from the population and a particular unit drawn from the population so that it constitutes the value. It is the value of jth unit which is drawn, which is selected from the ith stratum. ఒక ith stratum నుంచి తీసుకున్న ఒక శాంపిల్ వాల్యూ యొక్క శాంపిల్ యూనిట్ యొక్క వాల్యూ Yi, right? So therefore Yi is the value of the jth sample unit which is drawn, which is selected from right stratum by using SRSWOR technique. Now come to the formulas of Y bar Ni. Now what is Y bar Ni? This Y bar Ni is nothing but it is the mean of the selected sample units in the ith stratum, from the ith stratum, drawn from the ith stratum. Remember, not in the ith stratum. From the ith stratum, drawn from the ith stratum. Whatever the sample units which are drawn from the ith stratum, for those values, if you calculate the mean, that is sample values, the mean of the sample. This is the mean of the sample selected from the or drawn from the ith stratum. So therefore it is Y bar Ni is equal to 1 by Ni. If you recollect whatever the same kind of notation we follow, only the difference is capital Y and small y, that's all. Summation I is equal to 1 to k, Yi is a summation j is equal to 1 to Ni. Summation j is equal to 1 to Ni, Yi is a. Whenever Y bar Ni, it refers j, summation j. The units of, I write the units yi1, yi2 and so on, yi Ni. These are the units of the units drawn from the yi1, capital Y i1, capital Y i2 and so on, capital Y I Ni, capital Ni. INI. From these units, the selected units are this. This need not be in an order. I have explained in the simple random sampling. It need not be in an order. Here we apply SRSWR technique to select these units from this particular population ith stratum. From this particular ith stratum, we use SRSWR technique, simple random sampling without replacement technique. We use SRSWR technique. That is why it is a simple random sample. Mean of the simple random sample. Remember, which has more importance in calculation of theorems. There we apply very simply, we state that the expectation of small y bar is equal to capital Y bar and I. Because it already proved, it was already proved in the SR simple random sampling techniques, SRSWR techniques. By using SRSWR technique, it is already proved. So therefore, we consider there. That is the reason why I am specifying that it is a simple random sample. It is a simple random sample. This is the mean of simple random sample. So if this is a simple random sample drawn from this population, ith stratum, drawn from this ith stratum, drawn from these population units, which is ith stratum, units of the ith stratum, values of the ith stratum, right? I hope you understand this. Hope you all you are following this one, right? Therefore, now I consider total mean of all particular sample values drawn from all strata. Now write y bar n is equal to 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to k summation j is equal to 1 to ni yij. Now I write from this formula, this is from this ni into y bar ni is equal to, I am taking this ni left hand side, is equal to summation j is equal to 1 to ni yij. Now you refer this summation j is equal to 1 to ni yij is equal to ni into y bar ni. Therefore, this also can be written as 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to k ni into y bar ni. This is another formula. First formula, second formula. I will give you another formula. It is known as estimates. With the help of estimates of some particular values of population to sample, estimates of the population values, we have another formula. If we consider ni by n is equal to capital Ni by capital N. What is capital Ni by capital N? Weight of the ith stratum, Pi. Weight of the ith stratum, Pi. So Ni by n is equal to capital Ni by capital N. If we consider this, that is the proportionate number of values in ith stratum to the population is equivalent to the proportionate number of units selected from the ith stratum to the total number of units in the sample, which will be equal. The proportionate values in the population to the sample which are equal, which are same, then that is from the population to be sampled. That is the point exactly. Population to be sampled. The ratios are equal. Proportionate values are equal. For example, ni to n. How proportionately? For example, capital N1 is 100. Capital N is equal to 1000. This proportionate value is equivalent to be small n by small n. For example, small n is equal to 100. And n1 should be, or ni should be 10 by 100, 100 by 1000, which should be equal. Like if it is the proportionate values are assumed to be equal, then this formula is going to be calculated by, that is formula is written as y bar st now. In this case, this y bar n is written as y bar st. stratified random sample mean. This is also stratified random sample mean. This is also stratified random sample mean. Y bar ST, which is going to be considered as 1 by capital N summation I is equal to 1 to k capital Ni into Y bar Ni. This is Y bar Ni, small y bar Ni. So this is nothing but summation I is equal to 1 to k. I am considering as pi into y bar Ni. So Ni by n, capital Ni by n, capital N, pi. Summation I is equal to 1 to k pi into y bar Ni. What is this y bar st? We use many number of times this one to prove the theorems. So now you see, this is simple random sample. I differ again. I distinguish. This is simple random sample mean. The mean of these sample units. Why? Because simple random sample mean, because of these particular units are drawn by using SRSWR technique. There we apply simple random sampling technique. Therefore, it is simple random sample mean. This is stratified random sample. That is, it is a collection of all the samples, sample sizes of all simple random samples, sample sizes in SRSWR. Therefore, which are nothing but collection of all samples in SRSWR. Simple random samples is nothing but stratified random sample. So this is stratified random sample, y bar n. This is also stratified random sample mean. Mean of the stratified random sample. This is mean of the stratified random sample. So these two are means of stratified random sample. This is this entire picture. Whenever you get double summation, of course, single summation I is equal to 1 to k Ni y bar Ni is also nothing but it involves two summations. Okay. So right. So therefore y bar n sample mean, the simple stratified random sample mean of the stratified random sample. This is also mean of the stratified random sample. These two are known as stratified random sample means. Means of the mean of the stratified random sample. There will be one particular stratified random sample in connection with many number of simple random samples. More simple random samples which constitute a stratified random sample. These are the formulas of means. Now we write two formulas. I write very simple, which are very simple. Sample mean square formulas. You write and study this. And SI square, small SI square, sample mean square of the selected units, selected sample units from the ith stratum, drawn from the ith stratum, right? For which 1 by Ni minus 1 summation j is equal to 1 to Ni Yij minus y bar Ni the whole square. This is the sample mean square of the selected units, selected sample units drawn from the ith stratum by using SRSWR technique. Whenever I represents simple random sample without replacement techniques only, using that SRSWR technique. And S square, this is nothing but which means it is a sample mean square of the simple random sampling. Now this is S square. Stratified random sample, sample mean square of stratified random sampling. The sampling was done and taking the samples and calculating the value. S square, it is 1 by n minus 1 summation I is equal to 1 to k summation j is equal to 1 to Ni Yij minus y bar n whole square. This is the stratified random samples sample mean square of stratified random sample. This is sample mean square of simple random sample. Technically is going to be applied in the ith stratum. So these are the notations and formulas, the terminology of stratified random sampling for the sample values. The part 2 which are absolutely which consist of notations of terminology of notations and terminology of sample values, regarding the sample values of stratified random sampling, So at the end, these are all notations of stratified random sampling. Kindly learn the technique, study the technique, and then definition. Study the technique, which means definition of stratified random sampling. Understand the stratified random sampling, and then start the reading of notations, studying the notations, and then formulas, terminology of stratified random sampling. Thank you.